What's up, guys? Quick video here to show you how Parchment works and how you can use it. Parchment is a simple note-taking app. It was my replacement for Notion. I just wasn't a fan of Notion and I hit the limit with the free plan. So rather than paying for an app I didn't really like anyways, I went ahead and made my own, of course. So you're looking at basically the first thing you see once you log into your Parchment account. Over here on the left, you have your collections. Within your collections, you can add pages or notes. You also have the option to switch from your personal to your workspace. And if you're a paid user, you can create as many workspaces as you want. And as you can see, each workspace has its own collection of collections and pages. Pages are pretty simple. You can add all sorts of things. We can add text blocks, heading blocks, bulleted, numbered lists, to-do, quote divider, code, and group blocks. Now, everything that you're seeing here that you and I can do as a human being, your AI assistant could also do within your account if you create an API key for it and give it the API key. If we go over here to settings, you'll see that we can create an API key. You can create a master key, which lets them basically have access to all of your workspaces and everything. Or you could create a specific workspace key so they only have access to a particular workspace. And you might have several agents. You might give one agent access to your personal workspace and another agent access to your work workspace. Whatever you want to do, you have the freedom to do it. Paid users also have the option to use this Chrome extension, which is pretty neat. So it lets you do things like summarize and save articles if you connect a AI API to it. It can detect recipes and YouTube videos. So if we check out this recipe, let's say we like this recipe, but we've all looked at a recipe online and we hate all this fluff, all this text, all these images we don't care about. We just want the list of ingredients and the instructions. So if we go up here to the extension, click Save Recipe, this is using AI to basically summarize it and save it to our Parchment account. We come back to our Parchment account and here we go. We have a recipe for the best chicken parmesan, and it's got the list of ingredients and the instructions. We can also save a YouTube video. This will basically grab the transcript from the video and it will summarize it using AI, and then it will save it to our Parchment account. This takes a little bit longer because it's using a free API called Transcript API to basically scrape the API from the video. And we'll go check it out on our Parchment account. And there we go. So it just summarized the entire YouTube video for us. So we could read the summary and decide if we want to, put the time and effort into watching the whole video. We also have two different views for you. So what you're looking at right now is list view. We also can click on this and go to board view, which is more of a Kanban if you're into Trello, that sort of thing. As you can see, we have our collections are these cards, and then within each collection is a list of the pages. So it's the same exact data that you're seeing here, just a different way to look at it in case this is the kind of thing that you're into. You can also click this button down here to easily add new collections, and you can see they pop up there. And we can manage our trash, of course. We can delete pages, we can delete collections, and then if we want to, we can go into the trash and bring them back. We can restore them, or we can go ahead and empty the trash. So again, the biggest selling point to this, in my opinion, is the fact that it's AI first. So I rarely am in here actually clicking on things myself. I'm usually just telling my AI bot to, save a summary, review my code, look for some security issues, and then save a report to my Parchment account. And it'll do it, and then I can go review the report later whenever I want to. You could tell it to draft a blog post for you, save it to your Parchment account. You could tell it to create a collection called blog posts, and you can just save blog post after blog post inside that collection, and you can go back in there and check it out whenever you have time on your computer or your phone, of course. If you're using your phone, it will ask if you want to download Parchment as a progressive web app, so it does work as a PWA. You don't have to go to the Chrome or the Android store and download or anything like that. Just visit the parchment.app and it'll ask you if you want to download it. So that's basically it. That's Parchment. Hopefully this wasn't too long of a video for you. I tried to go quickly without being annoying, but I look forward to launching this bad boy on Product Hunt, and I look forward to getting y'all's feedback too. Definitely, if you try the app out, make sure you click on this feedback button down here in the bottom right corner. You can fill this out and it will send the feedback to me so I can see, tell me what you like about it, tell me what you don't like about it, tell me what features you think I should add to it, and I will pay attention to that, I promise. So, all right, guys, thanks for checking this out.